Good morning, students. Today in this class I am going to explain about problems based on the properties from exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. So first sum, children, find the sum. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. By suitable rearrangement. So problem number 1, children. 238 plus 695 plus 162, children. So here we have to rearrange the sums. 238 plus 162 plus 695, children, as per commutative property CP. So now 238 plus 162 plus 695, children, as per AP, associative property. Associative property. So 238 plus 162, children, how much children? 238 plus 162, how much children? 400 plus 695. So equal to how much children? 1095. So this is the way of doing sums addition by rearranging the given problem. Okay. And second one, children. So is it clear, children? Second problem I am just right here. 154 plus 197 plus 46 plus 203. 46 plus 203, children. 203. Children, here now let's see 154 plus 46 plus 197 plus 203, children. So here 154 plus 46 plus 197 plus 203, children. So 154 plus 46 is how much? 200. Plus this how much, children? 400. So equal to how much? 600 is the answer. 600 is the answer. So this is the first sum, children. And the second one. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Okay. Number 1, children. 25 into 1963. 25 into 1963 into 4, children. So children, we have to rearrange the numbers and then we have to find the product. Simple. 25 into 4 into 1960, children. You know very well according to which property, children? CP. CP is what, children? Okay. A into B equal to B into A. That is called CP. So 25 into 4 into 1963. This is nothing but children, AB, associative property. That implies 100 plus 1963 equal to 1963 00 90,000 1,96,300, children. Okay. So this is one problem. And the second problem is that 20 into 255. 20 into 255 into 50 into 60. 50 into 60, children. 50 into 6. Now children, very clear here. So 20 into 50 you can take 1 into 255 into 6 you can write like this. So 20 into 50 how much, children? 1000. Into this how much, children? 255 into 6 how much? 1530. 1530. That implies 153,000,000, children. Okay. So 153,000,000. This is the answer, children. Okay. So third sum. Third bit, children. Find the value of the following. find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. First one, children, 368 into 12, 368 into 12 plus 18 into 30, plus 18 into 368 plus 18 into 368. Children, it is very clear, isn't it? 368 is a common into 12 plus 18. Children, 368 in common you can take 368 here. Here also 368. You can take common here. 368 into 12 plus 18. Okay. So now 368 into how much will be 30 into 30. 12 plus 8 how much? 12 plus 8 how much? 30. So 11040 is the answer. 11040 is the. If you multiply this here, you can 368 into 30 will get the answer 11040. Okay. And second one, second one, 79 into 4319 plus 4319 into 11 into 11. So here 4319 is how much? 4319 into 79 plus 11. So 4319 into how much one here? This is 90. 700 plus 11 equal to, okay, 90. So 388,710. 388,710. If you multiply 4319 into 90, you will get 388,710. Okay? Understand, children? Yeah. Next, let's fourth bit, children. Find the product using suitable properties. Find the products using suitable properties. So number one, children, 205 into 1989. So simply here 205 into, so 1989, children, we can write, or else one thing you see, either you can take 205 as 200 plus 200 minus 5, or this you can take as 2000 minus 11 also you can take like that. Okay, so here I am taking this 205, this one 200 plus 5 into 1989, children. So 200 into 1989 plus 5 into 1989, children. 5 to 1989. So 199, 1000 plus 9955. 99 equal to 2000955. 2000955. So this is the answer for this question, children. Okay, we multiply this and this, we can do. This is nothing but which formula, you know, DP, distributive property over multiplication. Distributive property over multiplication. Okay, and now distributive property over multiplication. So these are the properties. Okay. So these are the problems from exercise 2.2, children. Okay, and now one more problem, children. A milk vendor applies 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening to a hostel. If the milk cost is 30 per liter, how much money he gets per day? This also I'll tell you in the class, children. These two word problems I'll tell you, you can copy in the classwork afterwards. So whatever the sums I explained to you so far, all these sums you can copy in the classwork. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.